go ahead and talk a little weather now. Send things over to Aaron Moran because we are on the heels here of a first alert weather day, or one coming up rather.
Yeah, for tomorrow, but we still have the possibility of a few stronger storms tonight as well. I know it's a little tricky. Severe weather season can be tricky here in North Texas, but let's talk about the ingredients that we have ongoing. We've got very warm conditions. 86 at DFW right now. Fort Worth is at 87. Burleson sitting at 90 degrees, and then you've got Comanche at 97 currently. So we've got 80s and a few 90s. We've got the clouds to the east, and we've got a dry line out to the west. Now, think about just how breezy it's been the last couple of days. I know I've heard your complaints on social media. It's so windy. We had the wind advisories over the weekend, and it's been a southerly breeze. And that's what most of us are dealing with right now. But you do notice out to the west, we've got that westerly wind, so that's indicating the dry line. But with the south wind that we've been experiencing, it's just been pumping in that warm, moist air from the Gulf. So we've got the heat, and we've got a lot of moisture at play. Now we've got the lift with this dry line. But the other component that makes the forecast so tricky this time of year is that cap in place. And if you haven't heard us talk about it, it's this warm layer of air higher up in the atmosphere, and it prevents storms from developing or intensifying. But we wait to see if these storms that we're expecting can break that cap. So that's the big question mark for today. That's why the severe weather threat is conditional for today. I think if we see storm development, it's going to be in the next hour, right in this yellow area here, and it's only going to be for a couple of hours. It's going to kind of be triggered by the heat of the day, and then once we lose the heat of the day, then we'll start to see any of those storms fizzling out. So there's a level 2 slight risk for areas, especially to the north and to the east of DFW, and this is for if those storms can fire up. Large hail would be the main threat. Now, we look at watches. None issued for us here in North Texas, but just a little farther off to the north and to the east. Instability is there, and they're already dealing with stormy weather, so the cap not at play, so they have a tornado watch. You can see Red River County toward Texarkana, a little bit of Oklahoma and Arkansas as well. That goes through 11 o'clock, but note, we don't have any watches for us here in North Texas currently. This is one model in particular. Remember, nothing's going on right now, so this model doesn't have anything going on for the next hour, and you notice it just doesn't have these storms able to break the cap in North Texas. So this is why today's threat is so conditional, not necessarily the case into tomorrow. Level 3 enhanced risk for severe weather for most of North Texas. The Metroplex all included in this. This is for tomorrow. So this is why we've gone ahead and issued that first alert weather day. Large hail is the main threat. Wind damage is a huge threat with this. A few tornadoes are going to be possible as well, and maybe even some isolated flooding for areas that get some heavy rain over a short period of time. So here's tomorrow morning, cloudy skies. We got a little rain through the morning hours, but once that dry line starts to move in the afternoon, we get these storms to develop south and west of the Metroplex, and it becomes more widespread. So I think this is going to kind of start around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's going to go right through the heart of our evening commute here in North Texas, but it's quick moving, and by the time we get to 8, 9 o'clock in the evening, things seem to be fizzling out. So first alert weather day for tomorrow, coverage at 40 to 50%. We've got the chance for some storms in the morning on Wednesday as well. By the time we get to Thursday, we are done with the stormy weather. Temperatures will still be in the low 80s. It should be nice for Thursday and Friday. Isolated storm chances on Saturday, Easter Sunday. Looks okay, Ken.
Okay, good news.